Hello, planner friends. My name is Sarah and I love to plan. And today I have an Erin Condren Warehouse sale haul for y'all. This sale ran from August 15th for about a week. There were some insane sales, some not so much, and some exclusive items, which I feel like it's something new this year, the exclusive items, so that was really exciting. And I got a little bit of all, like things that were heavily discounted, something that was an exclusive, and things that I just really needed to stock up on. So I was so excited for the sale. Stay tuned for the Black Friday sale. There is going to be a lot, I'm pretty sure. So I'm gonna wait for that to get maybe another planner or more items too. But right now I really just needed to stock up on, and I didn't get a lot of things. I will say that I was very mindful this time. So I'm very proud of myself. And let's jump right in. Let's start off with the monthly metallic disc pad. You may have seen this around in my channel. I do a lot of Instagram reels, shorts. By the way, follow me on Instagram. I have a lot of content there. I am obsessed with this desk pad. I don't use it as a desk pad. I basically just decorate my calendar each month with the Erin Condren monthly sticker books and the stickers that it comes with. And then I just pin it on my cork board. It's very visible. It helps me see my month, and my husband also takes a look at it to see what we have going on this month. He may also add a thing or two, but I don't love his handwriting, so maybe he'll just tell me and I'll add it on. I'm just doing a quick flip through of what this looks like, and then it comes with this amazing sticker sheet. It's a very, very large sticker sheet. At this point, this is my third year getting this desk pad, so I have 3 of these and I love them. It's an enormous sheet. I don't know why that is so satisfying. I'm just doing a flip through of the months. Like, it still has a few of the months for 2023. So I kind of have duplicates at this point. I will say that something I don't love is the foiling, the monthly foiling colors. Before, these had the color palette of each month, like January blue, February pink, March mint, like the Erin Condren standard monthly colors. And then they changed it, of course, probably to save on cost, because I know how more expensive it can be to have a product with so many variables. And I get it, but I just wish they would use like more neutrals, maybe like gold, silver, rose gold for each month. I would enjoy that more, but it's okay. I still love this product. It's something I grab every year. And let's move on to these calendar sticky notes. I was so excited for these, and I love that they are posted because it's just a name brand. You know, you're getting quality in your stickies. And these are also the standard Erin Condren monthly color palettes, which I love. And confession time, I actually color code my life using the monthly color palettes, like in digital files. Like, if I need to color code something, I will color code it based on each color of the month, like August yellow, October orange. Is it weird? Let me know in the comments if it's weird. It's just that I honestly, I'm sorry, I'm fangirling here. Erin Condren becomes a lifestyle at a certain point when you use it so much. Now let's jump right into my next product, which is the Cool for School sticker books. I love these sticker books. I do wait until they're discounted. I probably have 4 others of different years. These sticker books. They're super cute. I don't use like the field trip stickers. Like, it's just not something that I need, but all the rest of the stickers are so cute. The golden letters I use, even the apples, the washi tape I love. These circles, I will use them. But this is the main reason why I get these books. I just love these icons. I use them to mark my goals each month. I'm in love with paper clips, y'all. So these little like paperclip stickers are cute. I'm moving on to a softbound notebook. The day I got them, these were like heavily discounted. I think you got them for like $5, which is insane because they're so high quality. They are absolutely incredible. I needed a dot notebook, but I was so surprised to see that this notebook, like, they've changed them. I haven't gotten these in the longest time. The last one I probably got back in 2019. So they have an index, and I love that. Like, especially if you're journaling, you can make your own index. That's an incredible idea. I hadn't seen it. And I don't know if you can see there at the bottom, the pages are numbered. How cool is that? In Mexico in school, they make us number our notebook pages, sometimes the teachers. So this brings back flashbacks, and I love it because you can make your index. And I accidentally had it upside down. But this is an exclusive of the warehouse sale. It's the meeting notebook, which was so cool. Like, I love how it's set up. Honestly, I don't know if I'll be using it the way it's intended for meetings, because, you know, my meeting notes, I have to like type them up real quick. But I love, you know, the layout for my own, you know, goal setting or action steps. I don't know. I just knew I had to get my hands on this because it is so cool, and I really wanted to get an exclusive items because with Erin Condren exclusives, like, they're really exclusives. Like, they don't just come up again. Maybe there's a different format, but the product as such will not come, and I'm sure that I'll have a use for it one day, says every notebook hoarder. Are you a notebook hoarder? Let me know in the comments. But I also love the cover. I loved the In Bloom design this year. Like, everything I have is in bloom, and I saw this gift set that was very discounted. I won't use it as a gift set. I'll keep it for myself because you know, I don't know a lot of people that love stationery, but I loved these tab sticky notes that it came with. And this was like on super clearance. Like, I got this for very cheap. So I had to add to my In Bloom collection, and this super cute notebook that I can just carry around in my bag. I didn't know what it looked like on the inside, but when I opened it and saw that they were checklists, like, I was enamored. Like, I'm like, yes, thank you. Just somewhere where I can just write lists. That's me there. That's my jam. And then there's this notepad, like a dashboard notepad, and you can put these in here. You can just kind of have like an organizer on your desk. I'll be honest, I don't know I'll be using this organizer. I will probably gift the organizer to one of my friend's daughters because she loves like things like this, like little organizers. So I'll definitely probably give this to her. but I just really wanted what was inside. I know. And I love these. I love this set. Anything in bloom, y'all. Anything. I love in bloom, and I know that this won't be around forever. Like this year it's wildflowers and inspire, so I won't get that back. This is the first part of my haul. I actually have something else that I want to show you. Something really funny happened where I opened up my box and I just got this card, and I reached out to Erin Condren. I'm like, hey, I got this card, but I didn't actually get the lap desk. And they were so responsive. Like right away, they're like, I'm so sorry. I'll put in an order to get you that lap desk. And I literally had it here in 2 days. Like, they moved so quickly. So thank you, Erin Condren team, for your responsiveness. And it was so funny, but I'm so excited. I've been wanting the EC lap desk forever, since it came out, but it was super expensive. Like I could not afford it at that time, but now it was on, at a discounted price, and I had to get it. My husband kind of stole my Amazon lap desk, so I said I needed another lap desk. This is my chance. And you can put your laptop in here. You can put notebooks, pens. I love how it has this compartment, and then it is adjustable. So you can make it higher or lower depending on how you sit. I just love this design. I feel like it is different from other lap desks I've seen, where you can use it as a lap desk, or you can just put it on your desk, which is actually how I have it set up right now on my desk, where I have the laptop over it, and I also just grab it to put it in my room when I'm working off of my bed. This was what I was mostly excited about. I am so happy that I got it finally, after years and years of wanting it, because I think this launched in I don't know if it was 2020 or 2021. Well, I mean, Flora, it's from, like, I believe it's a 2021 design. So I mean, I just needed to get my hands on it, and I'm just showing you how I can put my laptop on there. So cute. This has been my dream. Do you have a lap desk that you love? Where do you work off of? Do you work off of your bed, at an actual desk? I feel like I do both, but sometimes I just like to be in bed. This was my haul. What did you think? Did you get anything at the warehouse sale? If you enjoyed this, hit the like button. Definitely subscribe for more planner accessories planning content. Watch this video next. See you.